Yeah, here you can see i5 processor, 2.1 gigahertz, 13420H processor. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Lenovo 23.8 inches all-in-one. Here you can see this is the carton size dimension, and this is the model number IdeaCentre AIO 24IRH9. Here you can see the specification: Intel Core i5 13th generation, 13420H processor, 2.1 GHz, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 23.8 non-touch screen, USB keyboard and mouse. Let's unbox. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is a keyboard and mouse accessories. So these are the things inside the box, all-in-one PC, and this is the accessories box. Let's see what are the things is inside. Comes with the USB optical mouse from Lenovo, USB optical, and power cable, UK type 3-pin, and power adapter. $90 watts. You can see here 20 voltage, 4.5 ampere. This is the power adapter, and one more power cable also inside, 3-pin. And here you can see the user manual, and this is the keyboard you can see here. USB also, this one also USB keyboard from Lenovo, USB wire keyboard Lenovo, you can see here. So one mouse and one keyboard they given, and two power cable, one power adapter, and user manual. So let's see the unit. Yeah, this is the all-in-one unit. Let's remove the plastic. It's a 23.8 inches screen, Lenovo IdeaCentre 24. Here you can see it comes with a Core i5 processor, 13th generation, and 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, 23.8 inches screen. So this is the side look of this frame. So there is no port on this side, and this is the top look. It's a Luna gray color. This is the top look, and this is the other side. So good for personal use and office use. AIO 3 from Lenovo. Here you can see the camera. Camera with a built-in mic. This is the frame design. Sorry, my camera is not clear. This is the frame design in the front side. Here this is the bottom design. So everything in this PC built in from backside only. Processor, motherboard, RAM, and SSD, everything is inside this. So let's remove this plastic. So this is a very strong metal bottom, and here you can see power button. I'll show you nearby. This is the power button. and camera on off button, camera on off, camera symbol you can see here. This is the camera symbol, and this is power button symbol. So this is side look, and this is the speaker. You can see this is the speaker and ventilation. Here you can see the speaker. This is the speaker and the ventilation also. You can see this is the one. And let's see what are the ports at the back. These are the ports available in this model. HDMI in. See in logo you can see here, HDMI in, and USB power adapter, 90 watts, 20 voltage, 4.25 ampere, and USB port, Ethernet port, and one USB port here, and one more USB you can see here. This is a 10 Gbps capacity. You can see the 10 symbol here, USB port, power USB also, and one more HDMI. This one is HDMI out symbol you can see. So two HDMI, one is in, one is out. So 3 USB port, 1 power port, and 1 Ethernet port in this model. And extra port you can see here, headphone jack, 3.5 mm. You can see headphone symbol here, 2-in-1 combo. And here one more USB-C, also 10 Gbps. You can see here, my camera is not good. Yeah, this one. So these are the connectivities this all-in-one is having. This is the full backside look. This model only tilt option, no adjustable, only tilt, like tilt options only. It will go and it will come. It's a tilt only, not height adjustable. This is the action you can see here. See, like this only, tilt option. So everything is here, memory and hard disk, SSD M.2 and processor. So let's switch on the unit. Yeah, here you can see I'll show you the specification. Lenovo IdeaCentre AIO 3. Here you can see 13th generation i5 processor, 2.1 GHz, 13420H processor, 8 GB RAM, and 128 MB graphic, Intel UHD graphic, and 512 GB NVMe M.2. This is the model unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.